Do you burp too much? Let's talk about why and how you can stop it. First, eating too fast can make you swallow air, causing more burps. Slow down, chew your food well. Carbonated drinks like soda and sparkling water release gas. Opt for still water or herbal tea instead. Chewing gum or sucking on candies makes you swallow more air. Try cutting back. If you're constantly burping after meals, it could mean digestive issues like acid reflux or indigestion. Watch what you eat. Avoid spicy, fatty foods. Feeling anxious? Stress can make you swallow air too. Relax with deep breathing or a quick walk. Drink plenty of water, eat smaller meals and take your time. Your stomach will thank you. Burping is normal, but excessive burping could be a sign of a health issue. If it doesn't stop, consult your doctor. Remember, small changes can make a big difference for your health. Stay mindful and healthy.